Yes, hello everyone. It's me, Ben, from Senior Computer Services International. So, in today's class or today's engagement, I want to see more, or let's expand more in Microsoft Office or Word, and then we see how best way can we create tables. How can we create table in Microsoft Word? Are you able to create tables? Have you ever created tables before? So, today it's the part where I want to take you in, and then I hope by end of this engagement we shall be able to create tables, or you can be able to create tables and then put various designs. So, in creating tables, let's open our Word, and then you open bracket documents, and then see. Let me take you how we can create tables. You just go to insert. You can just insert tables or draw them. So let me just draw them. Let me just insert. So I can expand my table the way I want. I can expand the way I want. So here, let me put administration. Next, let me put kitchen. Next, let me put computer department. Next, let me put dormitory. Next, let me put sick bay. So after, here let me put headmaster. In fact, let me put it in lowercase. Here let me put deputy. Accounts office. I can give it now like a bullets. So I can decide to merge these ones, and then here I put general, catering course to cater for the dormitory. Let's put O level boys. No, let me put senior 4 computers. And down I put swimming pool. So let me combine these two. Let me merge, and I put sports complex. I can yeah, but I can do whatever I need depending on how I want it to be done. Here I can say O level boys. Here down I put A level girls. Okay, let me put A level boys. I can decide to add on here by just putting something. Then I say these accounts, and then I can come down So that is that. So when you are done with such a table, you may be required to do some more features there. For example, they can say insert another insert an row above first row. How can you do that? You can come here and just press enter. After pressing enter, you copy and you paste. So you merge this. This is the best way. So you have already inserted. So they can tell you to merge. I have merged all the rows. So in this area, so you can be able to create table and merging cells. So they can tell you to type some word and then you put it in a center. Let me say Trista. Let me put it in capital letters or caps lock. So it is there. I can do whatever I want. I can change its font size to any size I want. Let me say Tunga. I can put in Ede I want. Even the size, I can give it the size I want. Even if I want to put it in Tariq, it is very, very possible. So basically, that's how we can create our tables. That's how we can create tables and merge cells in Microsoft Word. So if you come upon any question that is requiring you to create tables, hopefully you can pass with flying colors. Thank you so much. We meet again. Hello everyone, it's Ben. So allow me to take you through how to use our services at Senior Computer Services International. So how can you order for services online? Just visit our website. Our website is scsinternational.org. Or additionally, you can go and then on your search bar and insert Senior Computer Services International. Then you press enter. When you press enter, it will bring you different offices, and then you can use this. Then you click again, you will visit our website. So when you visit our website, you can come and then sign up for an account. You come to register here on top. So you give us your name. Username can be your name. Then you create a password additionally. After creating a password, then you can click register. Or additionally, you can just log in with Google. So when I click register, it will take me direct to the dashboard. So when it takes me direct to the dashboard, then here I can start utilizing the services. I can just buy products. I can need this product. I click in the product. Then I add it to bag. Depending, I may need free computers. Then I add it to bag. When I add it to bag, this is the description. It's a description about this the product, and then the additional features are here. Then here it's giving more option, but basically, then after you can view the chart, or you can just click here. So clicking here and clicking here, they are the same options. Let me use here. So when I reach here, if I have a coupon, I insert it here and then I get a discount. So each computer, it costs this. Then since it needs free computers, then I use this. So I can apply shipping, free delivery. That's in Kampala Wakisomukono, among others. So store pickup, I can choose store pickup, whereby someone will come to our office and then pick the product by himself. Then after I proceed, so I insert the billing, skip if it's a different location. Like I want to order to a different location, I use the same location, I'll just use the same details. Then I come here to payment. I click here, senior computer, then I make payment. After making payment, I go back and then I upload a proof of payment. It can be a message, it can be a word. So I upload, then I confirm any order. If I confirm any order, you can see that there are some fields that you're missing. So I'll come and then I insert in those fields. So then I upload a proof of payment, because when you make payment, you receive a message. Then I confirm an order. After confirming an order, then I wait for them to contact me back. So I can click to go to the dashboard. I have this product, I have made this product, I have made an order. So basically that if I have an account, I'll just come here to log in and then I just log in, depending. And then the procedures are the same. For the courses, I can come here and then I choose the desired course if I need. The procedure is the same. You just click on like this course. So then I click enroll. So it will require me to log in. Then additionally, I will have to log in. So it doesn't match. So let me use that. So payable amount for this course is this one. So I click here, click here. Then you make payment. Then after you upload here that proof of payment that you have made a payment, you upload it there. And then you are able to request transfer. Then that cost will be also it will be delivered, and then you can start running. You go to the course and then you start. Then you start running. If everything is approved, then you start accessing the learning, all the modules. You can see they are only visible if you are approved. If the admin approves and then confirms your payment, then you'll be able to upload. Then in the services, you come here and then you select the desired service, like this service. So you come, it's a learner start, and then you make an order. Making an order, the procedure, it stays the same. You put a message, like you come here, then you give your email, then you can upload here. If you want, you can leave a message, and then like you give a remark for that service, the service you want. Then you say, let me say, That's the IMAC I have made. And then I order the package. So order details are there, starter and what have you. So I click here, or I use these options, and then after I pay, if I pay, then I'll be able, the admin will be able to access. The admin will be able to. Then I click pay now. If I click pay now, then the admin will be able to view and then confirm the order I have made. If it's confirmed, then I receive a confirmation message. But here you can additionally view, and then you understand. Thank you for your time, and then I appreciate your commitment to support in Senior Computer with Senior Computer Services International. Hello everyone, it's me Ben. Take you more deep into Microsoft Word. So today I want to see how we can create tables from statements. You are given a statement or a paragraph. How can you create a table from that statement? So provided given that statement that I have typed and you are seeing, and then we want to create a table out of it. So the thing is very clear and then very simple. Here you just go to tables. You go to tables or insert. So for those that are using Word 2007, you go to tables. But here you go to insert, then you go to table. Then you can draw or insert that particular table, stating the number of columns and rows required depending on that question. So depending on that question, you are able to come out with such table. So that table will be like that. So following the previous lesson, then you will be able to insert this table. So for those that are missing the previous lesson, please go back to our previous lesson, and then you can see how we can draw and merge tables depending on our desired structures. So you can be told to add a new column above the first one. For those who were here, we did. For those who are not, I said the simplest way, just press enter. When you press enter, now here is incomplete. You can just come here and then draw. After drawing, that is the simplest method. And then you just merge. And you just merge. Then you can put there the heading. Let me see the heading here. This one. You just copy. Let us put it in the center. Now it is in the center. Here we can add a drop cap. We can add a drop cap here. You can So here, if you want to watermark, those who are in the first lesson, you can remember. But basically for us, we need a drop cap. Drop cap is here. So that's the drop cap. And then we can format in any way we want. Thank you for your time and have a nice day. Hello everyone. It's me, Ben, from Senior Computer Services International, and I'm going to take you through how we can order for services. How can you book a service and then we can be able to support you up. This site www.scsinternational.org, or just go to the browser and say Senior Computer Services International, then you press enter. Then you come down, there is Senior Computer Services International, the main website. You click it. If you only click website additional, it will also take you here, which has opened. So this is the longer way, this is the shorter way. Because this one, you just click a website, you take you there. This one is the longer way. So after you log in, you come here. If you don't have an account, you just register for an account. You register for an account. If you have, then you just log in. Then you come here, Team Massacre. Then you log in. You put your username and then your password, then you log in. Then after you come and then you click services. Then you select the desired services you want. If you select the desired service, then let me say I need hardware updates, system monitoring, managed security, professional business website. Then you click it. When you click it, you come down. It's having two payment options. You have 1.5 and then you have 1.8. so this each one of it is having a different features. So you make an order on the site or the site you want, on the package you want. If you click here, let me say order now. Now let me say let me take this package. So when you click order now, it has logged out, so you are able to log in again. Due to security reasons, sometimes it can log you out, so you just click here, then you log in. Then after you put your name and your email, then you leave a message. And then if you have any required file that is required, then you upload it there, and then you are able to make you can leave a message or leave it out. Then you order the package. Here it's required, then you put I need let me just write urgent. Then you order for the package. When you order for the package, the details are shown here. Then you can click here. When you click here, you are able to complete the payment. After completing the payment, you go back and then you upload a confirmation of payment. Then you click pay now. Or you can use these options, Airtel Money Pay or Mobile Money Pay. Then a message is confirmed that you have made an order. Then from there you can proceed with other services, and then your payment has been received. Then things will be handled. Thank you for your time. I appreciate for your trust in Senior Computer Services.